Yes.
There, we'll just put that there. Girls, do you have enough over there? Tell Aunt Erica if you need more.
I need more.
What kind do you want? Little ones?
Ava, are you done with your man?
Yeah, should we put them in the...
No, the big candy.
You want one of these?
Please?
Or one of these?
No, I don't know.
One of these? Okay. Ooh, this will
You know what?
be
We need
special.
another one of those right back
This
here.
will be a special. Oh, yeah. Do you want to put one of those in too?
Oh, and you still have to do the windows, right? You're
Well,
saving up.
yeah, I think there's plenty. But
Alright.
this will be tough to do.
Well, we could move this person.
We'll just got it on there and let them.
Did
you bump your head, Chloe?
Oh, no, it's stuck. Oops, sorry.
And I think we can make it in the snow.
Okay.
You think you can make it in the snow?
Yes, snow outside.
Yeah, that's right. It does look like
Oh,
snow.
this
This is so cool. Oh no, it's kind of running on the house.